Hey folks, and welcome back to another video of Mike on the Move. Today, we're stepping aboard the Norwegian Bliss, one of the Norwegian's cruise line's largest and most popular ships. If you're thinking of booking a balcony cabin, let me show you exactly what you can expect. Let's take a look.
All right, come on in.
Starting at the entrance, you'll find a bright and thoughtfully designed cabin. The room features 2 queen beds that can easily be converted into a comfortable queen-size bed. Now let's head over to my favorite part of the cabin, the private balcony. Accessible through the floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors, this outdoor space includes 2 chairs and a small table. This is where I spent most of my time. Back inside, the sofa provides a comfortable place to relax during the day and can convert into additional bed for a 3rd or 4th guest. Across from the sofa is a vanity area, complete with a large mirror, coffee maker, mini refrigerator, hair dryer, power outlet, and plenty of storage cubbies for your personal belongings. The sliding door wardrobe offers a digital safe, hanging space for your clothes, and built-in drawers. Beside the bed, you'll find individual reading lights and convenient USB charging ports, making it easy to charge your phone and other devices overnight. Now let's head over to the bathroom. The bathroom is compact but very functional, featuring a modern vanity, a glass enclosed walk-in shower, built-in shampoo and body wash dispensers, under sink storage, and everything you need for a comfortable stay during your cruise. If you're planning a cruise on the Norwegian Bliss, or if you already sailed on her, let me know about your experience. Leave your questions and or thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy cruise reviews, room tours, and travel adventures around the world, don't forget to subscribe to Mike on the Move. Until next time, stay healthy, be well, and keep moving. See you later. Bye.